Hello there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome to another one of my videos for all to new. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create some wonderful colored floral images and at the same time add a bit of translucency to your project. If you're a bit daunted by coloring, this is a great technique. So stay tuned. So the products I'll be using are the Sunshine Valley Garden artist markers as well as the Courageous You stamp set and die sets. Now for my translucent element, I'm going to be using vellum. So first thing first, I cut my vellum in half to have 2 sheets, and then I stamped that beautiful floral image twice using obsidian black ink. Now this is ink that will take a little bit longer to dry, so I would advise you to heat set it or leave it dry for at least 1 or 2 hours. Now for the coloring, this is the trick. You want to flip your image over to have the stamp side to the bottom, so do not color on top of the stamped side. You flip the page over and then you can start adding your artist markers to the vellum. So I started with the lightest shade, which is Pink Diamond from our new artist marker set called Sunshine Valley Garden. And now I'm going to go in with Pinkalicious and just add a little bit of a darker shade where you can see the detailed parts of the floral image. And then once I've finished with Pinkalicious, I'm going to use a little bit of Rubelite to add more shading. Once I've got the darkest shade, I'm going to do a little bit of blending using my Pink Diamond again. And I'm just going to go over the darker shades. I'm going to do the same with the next floral image, but instead of using pink tones, I'll be using some yellows. And I'll be going from my lightest to my darkest color once again, starting with Citrus Blend, then Fresh Lemon and Maple Yellow. For the centers of my flowers, I'll be using some of the green shades that come in this set. And for the pink one, I'll be using a little bit of yellow. For my leaves, once again, I'm going to start by coloring with the lightest shade and then go in with the darker shades, just following the veins of the leaves. So when you are doing this technique, don't forget to flip the vellum over. And what's really fun is that the artist markers dry differently on vellum than on normal coloring paper, and you will get this really cool kind of nearly stained glass effect look once you turn it over. So once you've got your first image done, you can do your second and then cut them out with the coordinating die. Now I have got all my bits and bobs for my layout. I'm going to cut my photo to size and also create some little hearts for my layout. To do this, I'm going to use the pink colors in the artist markers and just add a bit of color to some leftover white cardstock. I'm going to be using the 3 shades Pink Diamond, Pinkalicious and Rubelite. Once I've got the color on my white cardstock, I'm going to add some dies. Here I'm using the Halftone heart dies from All to New and just cut out a couple of hearts in these lovely colors. This is a great way of making embellishments for your projects. So now I'm going to start playing around with all the different elements. So my vellum floral images as well as my photo. And I'll be adding some pattern paper from the Celebrate 6x6 paper pack and also some leaves from the Enjoy the Ride collection. So here I'm just playing around with all the little elements until I'm happy with the overall look. Once that is done, I will start sticking everything down and add a little bit of journaling. How do you use vellum on your projects? I would love to know and find out some more ideas on how to use vellum. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, just pop them in the comment section. And for more information on all the products used, please visit my blog on the Mixed Media blog. Have a lovely day, happy crafting, and see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!